Welcome back. Today we are covering LinkedIn ads benchmarks for 2026 cost per click, cost per lead, cost per sales qualified lead, and return on ad spend. All specific to B2B SaaS. These numbers come from GrowthSpree's live data across 300 plus accounts and $60 million plus in managed spend. Most LinkedIn benchmark reports are wrong. They average across industries, company sizes, and funnel stages, then publish one number. That number is useless. A cost per lead of $200 looks bad for a $3,000 ACV product and excellent for a $100,000 contract. The metric only matters against your average contract value. That is the lens this entire guide uses. LinkedIn cost per click ranges from $8 to $25 depending on your vertical. Top quartile accounts using tight ideal customer profile targeting achieve $6 to $10. Poor performers running broad audiences pay $18 to $25 for the same click. Targeting discipline, not budget, is what moves cost per click. DevTools and developer-focused SaaS run $9 to $12, the most efficient vertical on LinkedIn. Cybersecurity runs $16 to $22 because buyer seniority is at the Chief Information Security Officer level and competition is intense. Industry vertical is the single biggest driver of your cost per click baseline. Cost per lead on LinkedIn runs $150 to $400. Top of funnel ebook downloads $50 to $90. Bottom of funnel demo requests $200 to $400. LinkedIn cost per lead is always 3 to 5 times higher than Google Ads by design, not by failure. LinkedIn creates demand before buyers search. Google captures it after. The comparison is irrelevant. 30-day return on ad spend on LinkedIn will always look bad, 0.1 to 0.3x. Do not kill campaigns based on 30-day data. The average B2B SaaS sales cycle from LinkedIn first touch to closed one is 281 days. At 180 days, the industry median return on ad spend hits 1.5 to 3.0. GrowthSpree clients measure 6.5 to 13x, driven by offline conversion import and tight ideal customer profile targeting. Cost per sales qualified lead ranges from $800 to $8,000. The right benchmark is not a fixed number, it is 3 to 8% of your average contract value. For a $20,000 contract, an acceptable cost per sales qualified lead is $600 to $1,600. For $100,000 enterprise deals, $3,000 to $8,000 is healthy if the sales cycle and close rate justify it. Small and medium business tier, average contract value below $15,000, target $800 to $1,500 per sales qualified lead. Mid-market $15,000 to $60,000 ACV, target $1,500 to $3,500. Enterprise above $60,000 ACV, $3,000 to $6,000 is normal and often profitable. If you are outside these ranges, the problem is usually audience targeting or form friction, not LinkedIn itself. Industry median lead to sales qualified lead conversion is 8 to 15%. Sales qualified lead to opportunity is 30 to 50%. Opportunity to close one is 20 to 35%. GrowthSpree clients run 18 to 28%. Lead to sales qualified lead double the industry median. The difference comes from the ideal customer profile list quality and the qualified lead accelerator signal enrichment before leads reach sales. Industry median cost per click, $12 to $18. GrowthSpree clients, $7 to $11. Industry median cost per lead, $180 to $320. GrowthSpree clients, $120 to $210. Industry median 180-day return on ad spend, 1.5 to 3.0x. GrowthSpree clients, 6.5 to 13x. The gap is not magic, it is tight. Ideal customer profile targeting, conversion application programming interface offline imports, and senior operators running every account. Most companies measure LinkedIn on 30 or 90-day windows. The average B2B SaaS sales cycle is 281 days from LinkedIn first touch to closed one. That means 80% of LinkedIn's pipeline value is invisible in standard reports. Solution: connect HubSpot sales qualified lead and close one stages to LinkedIn Campaign Manager via offline conversions. Without this, you are making budget decisions on incomplete data. 3 steps. 1. Enable LinkedIn Conversion Application Programming Interface. 2. Push HubSpot lifecycle stage changes. Sales qualified lead, opportunity, closed one, back to LinkedIn with deal value. 3. Set your Campaign Manager attribution window to 180 days minimum. Once this is live, pipeline and return on ad spend appear in your dashboard. Budget decisions become accurate instead of reactive. 6 numbers to remember. Cost per click, $8 to $25, tight ideal customer profile. Targeting hits 6 to 10, Cost per lead, $150 to $400. Always 3 to 5 times Google Ads, always justified. Cost per sales qualified lead, 3 to 8% of average contract value. 30-day return on ad spend, 0.1 to 0.3x. Always bad, always normal. Average sales cycle, 281 days. GrowthSpree client return on ad spend at 180 days, 6.5 to 13x. If your LinkedIn return on ad spend looks broken, your cost per sales qualified lead seems high, or you have no offline attribution connecting spend to closed won revenue, GrowthSpree runs a free LinkedIn ads benchmark audit. We connect your real account data, compare it against vertically matched peers from 300 plus companies, and give you a 90-day optimization roadmap. Flat $3,000 per month. Month to month. Book at growthspreeofficial.com. See you in the next one.